loads of different types of coloured paper you can buy. And the great thing about coloured paper is you can use the colour as part of your picture. So you sort of get one colour or shade for free. For example, look at this picture of a ball that I've started here. I just shade it in at the back here using some charcoal. And then I put some highlights on it using some light chalk. You've got the dark shade of the charcoal, you've got the light shade of the chalk, and you get these medium shades of the coloured paper for free. Now, there are some great textured coloured paper that you can buy, which is perfect for drawing on in charcoal and chalk, but they can be a bit expensive. So this is what I do. I tear off a strip of scrap cardboard from a cardboard box, and it's got a great texture on it for drawing on, and you can also use the colour of the cardboard as part of your picture. So, OK, I'm just going to start to block in the detail on my picture. Just very sketchily doing it. Now, this is something the old master artists used to do many years ago. People like Toulouse-Lautrec. He would just grab any old piece of board and use the colour of the board as part of his picture. And you know Toulouse-Lautrec, he's the one that did those fantastic sort of French posters. And, you know, this is something else the old masters used to do. If they made a mistake, they wouldn't use a rubber to rub out. They'd use some ordinary bread. And it really is a good rubber. Just watch this. I just rub that corner there where I've made a slight mistake. I want to alter it. And just blow the bread away. And there it is. It's gone. And it's as good as a rubber. You could even use it for pencil. And just continue blocking in the shapes of my picture, like this. And again, I'm just doing it very light with the charcoal. And it's very wispy. I love this effect, you know. I love drawing in charcoal. It's sort of, it almost does your picture for you, doesn't it? It makes it look very arty. Never thought I'd hear myself saying that. I don't like things that are too arty. But watch this. If I put some more detail in onto my picture now, using my charcoal. Just a bit of hair around there. And maybe a sleeve there. And again, you don't have to be too neat with charcoal. I think if you start to be too neat with charcoal, it really does spoil the picture. And yeah, I bet you've guessed what this is by now. There it is. That sort of gives it away, doesn't it? I don't know who it is, though. I suppose with the long hair, it could be Agassi. Although he probably changes his hairstyle by the day. So there you go. Little bits of detail in. And the socks down there. And again, just gently stroking the charcoal across my picture. Now I'm going to put some shade in. I'm using the charcoal on its edge here. And what I'm doing is I'm just looking for those areas that the light can't get to. So if the light is shining from this direction on my picture, all these edges will be in shadow or shade. That's it, down there like that. And again, not being too particular about it, just letting the charcoal sort of dances across your picture. And it does the picture for you. Look at that. And I just add some highlights in with a little bit of chalk, maybe across there, these highlights where the sun or the light can get to. There, across there like that, maybe a bit on his racket. Because that'd be glistening in the sun, wouldn't it? A bit up there. And just around his bottom there, like that. And down there. And on his socks. And, you know, this is something you wouldn't be able to do on white paper. That's the beauty of coloured paper or card. You can add highlights in using white chalk. And I'm not going to do too much. There it is. Just finish it off, maybe put some shadow down the bottom. So you've got the darker shade of the charcoal on your picture, you've got the lighter shade of the chalk, and you've got the medium shade of the cardboard for free. Try it yourself, a 3-shade cardboard picture.
And to think that most people just throw cardboard away. Hey, I've done a picture on cardboard, and it is brilliant. Wait till you see this. There you are. Cardboard box. Oh, and too much.